This is Poli Super Spray. Poli Super Spray, a waterless detailer in a bottle. Wash and shine your boat or RV without water. This is our exclusive formula that is safe on all surfaces, is non-abrasive, and quickly removes water spots, dust, mild road grime, and fingerprints without streaking. Poli Super Spray works fast and easy on all painted surfaces, fiberglass and gel coat, clear coat, plastic, glass, metal, vinyl, and rubber trim. Poli Super Spray does not contain silicone or wax and still leaves a high gloss shine. It is specifically engineered for new gel coat and clear coat of painted finishes, even your car or truck. It's perfect for spot washing or complete vehicle washing without water. Just shake well, spray a mist onto the affected area, wipe clean, and buff to a high gloss. Visit us at polyglow.com for more information.